everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol. Karibu sana. And today we are cooking, do I call it a cookbook or a cook website? It's a website. It's a website, huh? Today we are going to try a recipe from the website Creative in My Kitchen. The website is called Creative in My Kitchen. It is by Claudia. We've already cooked from her books. One is called Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook, and the other one is called The Living Well Without Lectins Cookbook. So today we are going to cook from her website. It has a lot of recipes, so I'll put a link in the description of the website and today's recipe. Today we are going to make cinnamon flavored sorghum crackers, gluten-free. Let's try out the recipe and see the outcome. I'm excited to try this one. We have some sorghum flour, coconut flour, this is tiger nut flour, we've got some psyllium husk, a pinch of salt, some baking powder, some cinnamon, some coconut milk, and the recipe is very specific. Coconut milk from a can. This is some honey, some vanilla, an egg, some olive oil, and some extra sorghum flour. Here is our mixing bowl. We need to mix all the dry ingredients, and in the meantime the oven is preheating. So there is our coconut flour, our tiger nut flour, this is our sorghum flour, the cinnamon, the salt, the baking powder, and the psyllium husk. In the recipe, instead of the vanilla extract, there is a vanilla powder which is supposed to go into the dry ingredients, but I'm using the vanilla extract, so it will go into the wet. We mix this. I think it's ready. So in our blender, we are going to start with our egg. Then we need some olive oil. I think this is a very quick recipe because once you mix the dry ingredients, you blend the wet. The next step will just be mixing the two together. Then our coconut milk. Then we go to our honey. Then we mix. I think our mix is ready. This is the texture that I've gotten from mine. Next step will be using a parchment paper. We flatten it and then we roll. Then we cut to our desired shapes. There is our parchment paper. We need to flatten it into a square or a rectangle. With our hands first, then we use a rolling pin. Oh Lord, it's supposed to be cracking. I don't know. Is this a square, a rectangle, or it's an oblong? Okay. I will be thinking more of a rectangle. What do you think, guys? That. And parchment paper on top. Here we go. I think this is okay. It looks fine. It looks fine. You can portion this with a knife, with a pizza cutter or a cookie cutter. There we go. It's going to go into the oven. We're going to bake it for 35 minutes and then we're going to leave it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes when the door is slightly open. So guys, see you when these crackers are done. Our crackers are ready, as you can see. Oh, the cookie cutter that we used did a good job. Time to taste and we see what we have made. Wow, guys, these crackers are really nice. When I tasted it, the first thing that came into my mind is I felt like I was eating a biscuit. It's giving me digestive biscuit vibe. Not just any biscuit, but digestive biscuits vibe. So they're easy to make. The dry, wet. Once you blend your wet ingredients, you mix with the dry. You divide or cut the dough the way you want. You bake and you're done. Wow, this is nice. And it's really sweet. It's not on the extreme sweetness, but it's not sweet, but it's a nice balance of sweetness with the flour and everything. Whoa, this is a new one. That's it for today. Bye bye and God bless.